Hi everyone, I'm Oliver Solberg. Follow us for Rally Estonia next week. It'll be a proper rally, very fast and big attack. So see you all on the stages.
Hi Oliver, back in familiar South Estonian roads. Yeah, your test is almost over. How are you doing?
No, it's going well. It's back. It's finally great to be back, and I have great memories from here, winning the 2 previous years, and then I've been driving a lot on these fast roads. So for sure, it's great to be back. And now this year is a new car, a new challenge. So we're just trying to work and improve the car, and I think it's going quite well so far. So yeah, I think hopefully it will be good for the rally.
What do you think? What will be the most difficult in Rally Estonia for you?
The roads are fairly similar, so the roads I don't feel like there's anything new that could maybe change the challenge, but for sure it's very fast. The commitment and the big jumps will be difficult. So, but I think the competition this year is again extremely tough, and there's even a few more guys. So for sure it'll be very exciting that way, and I think the times will be very close.
Tough start list in R5s.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, you have the local guys, which for sure will be very quick. We saw that last year, and then now we have even more world champ top drivers like Mikkelsen and so on. So for sure it will be not easy. That's for sure. But I think we just have to do our best, and then hopefully the car will be okay.
You've had a couple of starts with Hyundai WRC this year also. Can we see you driving another rally WRC car?
Not this year, because now it's R5 as you see. But hopefully maybe next year we will see. But for sure it will be nice to do maybe some local event or something for practice. But I think on roads like this, WRC car would be proper.
And we saw you made some co-driver experience with WRC for your father, Petter.
Yeah.
Was he afraid?
He was very scared, definitely, because the cars today on tarmac are so fast, and the grip is extreme with the arrow. So for sure he was very scared.
Belgium, we're gonna see you probably driving a new Hyundai R5 car. Have you driven it for test already?
I've done a lot of testing on snow and gravel, but I've actually not tried it on tarmac yet. And the first rally is tarmac, so I don't know yet what to expect. But I think they've done good development, and the car looks good. So for sure, I know it's fast on gravel and snow, but we'll see on tarmac. But it'll be exciting to be starting with a new car, definitely.
A couple of questions.
Yeah, come on.
Hi Petter, back in South Estonia with Oliver, we see really strong support from Solberg family. You're always with Oliver when you're testing or going to someone for rally.
Well, I put my career on the side to try to help Oliver as possible. When you're young, it's always good to have your parents there, and but it's the same from Marco Martin and the whole Red Grey team. They are very supportive, and it's nice atmosphere. So I think all of us just want a good result, and you have a good experience here from Estonia now from before, and after winning here twice. Of course, you have a lot of expectations, but then we need to get the car also in a good way.
And how does it look for you? How is the setup is ready for Rally Estonia already?
Well, Oliver is never exactly happy, but it's a very different car what he have used for the last 2 years. But we're doing everything we can to get it in a very good feeling for the fast roads, narrow roads, and the big jumps. So he's okay. He's not there yet, but we know it's going to be a very tough rally, and he just have to do the best he can, and we just have to support him as best as we can also, and with all the people who's coming here also for the fans, it will be a very good rally, I think.
Sure, he has a good support from former WC champion, and we saw Oliver. Actually, same question as we asked from Oliver. He did some co-driver experience with WC Hyundai for you. Were you afraid?
Oh, unbelievable! I was first time I've been in the car with Oliver with the new WRC cars, with the aerodynamic and everything, and it was absolutely crazy. It was his first time, when he did that rally, together with Tanak, and you need some time and experience to get up to speed on tarmac with this, and but still he did a very good rally, and but my feeling was I was blown away, to be honest with you. So it's not easy for young drivers to come into the World Championship with this type of cars, because you need a lot of kilometers, but I think he enjoyed a lot, and well, I was nervous, that's for sure.
And we believe that you have also had a chance to drive this generation WRC car.
Well, yeah, I've been driving, the Polo 2017 car, and also tried the Hyundai also, yeah. So it was good fun. It's not like a rallycross car, when you have over 600 horsepower and stuff, but it's the aerodynamics who makes the biggest difference.
And there are always rumors around Petter Solberg, and fans are waiting for new manufacturers to come to WRC. Have you been lately to Japan?
For now, I only support Oliver best as possible. That's the main thing now, and try to help him to be a good driver for Hyundai for the future. And but he's only 19, so we have plenty of years. But that's my main focus now.
Great. Thank you, Petter.
Very good.